Hey guys, welcome back to Less Cooks More, Less Here, and today we are cooking birria tacos, and it's gonna be great. So just wanted to show you, this is what we're working with. This is chuck, I think is what they call it, but I don't really cook steak like that or meat, so we're gonna see how this goes, but I'm really excited. So let's get it poppin'. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is put in some oil. My mom's cooking too, so we have a lot going on. Okay, there's smoke happening, but so we're gonna take this. This is like chuck roast. We're gonna put it. So we're searing the steak. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on, and then we're gonna flip it. Let's just see what's happening. Oh, okay guys, so I flipped it over. We weren't recording, unfortunately, so you missed it, but this is pretty seared. I added some salt on. It smells delicious, but this is a huge piece of steak. All right, so I've turned down the heat, and now we are going to add in garlic. Usually we do 6 cloves, but I'm using already minced garlic. And then you're gonna put in your onion, so 1 yellow onion. Then you're gonna put in 10 chili pods. Okay, hold on. We have the Fiesta brand, that's what we've been using. And, ooh, these you can smell them. That's 1, 2, 9, and 10. You're gonna put in 10 cups of water. So this is 4. And then we'll use our handy dandy pot filler to get 4 more. So now you can come see what we have in here. Now we are going to add in chicken bouillon, and we're just doing cubes. You want to do 1 tablespoon if you don't have it in cube form. And we're gonna put in 5 bay leaves. That's like 4. So we'll put in 1 more. And you're gonna put in like a couple of teaspoons of cumin. You can see it's starting to bubble a little bit. And then you can use a cinnamon stick, but if you don't have a cinnamon stick, then I would say do like a couple, maybe like a ½ tablespoon. Then we're gonna salt it a bit more. We're gonna put it on simmer and let it cook for about an hour. So we're gonna turn up the heat a little, cover it, and then we'll let it cook for a while. But this is kind of the look that you should have. All right, stay tuned. Okay. So it's been a little over an hour. We are going to take out the chilies and put them in here. And remember, we got 10 of them. So just keep grabbing until you have 10. All right, I can't find another one, so we're just gonna work with this. And now, okay, so we took out the chilies. Now we're gonna get about a cup of this liquid, maybe a little bit more. And then we are going to take this and blend it. All right, so we're gonna close this up. We are going to blend/process. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. And as you can see, our chilies and liquid are blended. We're gonna use the sieve to pour it in. Now we're gonna put in some, we don't have marjoram, so we're gonna put in some cilantro. And then we are going to put in some tomato paste. You wanna use about a tablespoon. We're gonna put in a teaspoon of oregano. They're supposed to taste it. It's so hot. I burned my tongue. Okay, So I'm just gonna go ahead and say this looks bomb. And I definitely burned my tongue. So you're supposed to use agar, but we unfortunately could not find it from 3 different grocery stores. But I happen to know that gelatin powder is a substitute for agar. And we only need a tablespoon. So we are going to take our agar and put it in. So you need a teaspoon of white vinegar. This is a tablespoon, but I can measure with my eyes. I definitely just poured a whole tablespoon. It's fine. Just gonna mix it in. Come closer. And this is what we have. Guys, I'm so excited. And this is the meat. Now you can see that it's falling off. It's at the marbling, which is what you want. That's how you know it's close to being ready. But now we're gonna let it sit in here for 45 minutes and then we are gonna be good. Get ready. Hey guys, so we just got back from Walmart. We were there for hours. It's Christmas Eve and the lines were crazy. All we needed was cheese and a nutcracker, and we didn't find the nutcracker. It's a whole story. But anyways, this is what we're working with now. So everything is looking pretty good. Like the meat is literally, oh my gosh, it's literally falling apart. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're taking out the meat. We're gonna put it all in here. So stay tuned. Oh, good thing I checked. But as you can see, it's literally just tearing apart with a spoon because that's how tender and soft it is. We were gonna blend it, but I feel like with a hand mixer, but I feel like you don't have to because it's just so tender. Let's try it anyway. Chef's kiss. Okay, so we're gonna put some oil on and I'm just gonna spread it. So this is like a cast iron griddle, but you're supposed to like literally get it all in there. And then you put it on here. You may. You put the cheese on. I just put it on there. Put it on. Not gonna lie, flipping these was pretty hard. I'm trying to just get these, because you want it to be crispy. Okay, so then we're flipping this one. We're gonna put it over here. See how it's a little crispy? That's just what we want. And this one ripped a little, I'm not gonna lie, guys. So usually you get a sieve to get like bay leaves and whatever out, but I'm just gonna get some of this. Ooh, I did not think through that. Okay guys, so we made a couple and it's hard for them to stay together, but in general it's pretty good. It's cheesy. And this is our consomme in here, and you dip the taco in it. And then it's really good. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Comment below if you try out the recipe or if there's something else you think I should try. Thank you for watching.